Assalamualaikum guys, I hope that all of you will be fine. Today I'll deliver lecture of English of chapter number 4 of class 8 and exhibition, ek numaish. Students, first of all I'll tell you the brief summary of this story. The whole story revolves around an exhibition which is held by the teacher of the class, Mr. Kazi. Students brought various items to display in exhibition like stamps, coins and dolls. Now students, move on to pre-reading. Here are 3 questions. Okay, I'll give you the answer of these questions. First is, what is an exhibition? A display of various items of interest at one place is called exhibition. The second question is, what do you see in the exhibition? Student, it's depend on the kind of exhibition. For example, if you have attend any industrial exhibition, then you can see their items produced by the industries. Third is, how do you define hobby? Hobby is the work you take interest in and do in your spare or leisure time. Now students, move on to learning outcomes which are mentioned here in a box. Okay, and I hope that after reading the whole story carefully you will able to recognize all these things which are mentioned here. Okay, now let's begin. Students, first is understand and use present perfect continuous tense. Now I'll tell you the definition of this tense. Present perfect continuous tense is used to talk about an action or actions that started in the past and continued until recently or that continued into future. The example of this tense is, he has been working as a reporter with this newspaper for 5 years. Student, for period of time we will use since in this tense, and for point of time we will use for in present perfect continuous tense. Second is use for and since. I have told you earlier, for point of time we will use for, and for period of time we will use in present perfect continuous tense. Third is recognize and use new words. Identify and use articles. Students, first of all I'll tell you the definition of article. Article is a word of adjective which is always used before a noun to define it. Articles are of 2 types. First is indefinite articles and second is definite articles. A or N are indefinite articles and D is definite articles. Number 20. Here I have underlined few words, and now I'll tell you the meaning of these difficult words which help you to translate the whole story by your own self. Okay, now let's start. First is enjoy, lutf, exhibition, नुमाइश, stood up, खड़ा हुआ, paintings, मुसव्वरी की तस्वीर, my own, मेरा अपना, collect, जमा करना, appreciated, तारीफ़ की या सराहा, probably, गालबन, mum, खामोश या चुप, uttered, कहा, stamps, टिकटें, popular hobby, मशहूर, मशगला, सरप्राइज, हैरानगी, anxious, बेचैन, फिक्रमंद, bring, लाना. Now students, move to page number 21. Great leaders, अजीम रहनुमा, collection, मजमुआ, coins, सिक्के, postcards, डाक कार्ड्स, appears, ज़ाहिर होता है, all set now, सब कुछ तैयार है, excited, पुरजोश, clapped, तालियां बजाईं. Now I'll give you the answer of the questions which are mentioned here on page number 20 and 21. Okay, look at the first block question. What is Akbar's hobby? Students, Akbar's hobby is painting. Now students, move to second block question. Why did Mr. Kazi ask Slim to bring his collection of stamps? Slim had found no stamps in the exhibition and was mum during class discussion. Since it was very popular hobby, so the teacher asked Slim to bring his stamps in exhibition. Now look at the third block question. Who wants to bring collection of dolls for school exhibition? The answer is Kashif wants to bring some dolls from his sister's collection in school exhibition. Last block question is who introduced the idea of school exhibition for the students? A teacher, Mr. Kazi, introduced the idea of school exhibition to the students. Students, here are some glossary words. The meaning of these words I have told you earlier. Now your task is to learn the whole translation and the English meaning of these glossary words. Okay, and we will meet in next video. Till then.